Now we're making an amazing ramen casserole, and we're just gonna start with 2 seasoning packages and just season our ramen just like that. Perfect. Now we're going in with about half of this amount of water. This is about 3 cups of water. We're just gonna go in with it like that. Perfect. Then we're just adding our minced meat. This is 80-20. And just like that, and spread it around a little bit. Then we're gonna take our corn and just spread it around as well. Perfect. Now some of that frozen peas. Just like that. Now we're gonna add the rest of the water. Perfect. We're gonna add some amazing cheese. All the way around, just like that. We're gonna take our last 2 seasoning packages and just spread it around. Just like that. Perfect. Just spread it around a little bit more. Perfect. We're gonna cover this and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now just grab a knife and just poke some holes so the steam comes out. Perfect. Now take a look at that, just perfect. It's crispy on the outside and just gooey in the middle. Let's just dig in. Look at that, the ramen is absolutely perfect. Let's try it out. Let's go for it. Whoa, you have to try this recipe. It's amazing, trust me. Wow.